Hi everyone, this is Yat from GB and welcome back to this new episode. So today we are going to talk about mics. If you are going to start a YouTube channel in 2026 or you want just to have an idea about the mics, which mic you want to buy for your camera, if you want to start your project, so for YouTube, for anything, for on-street interviews, we now see a lot of different videos, a lot of scenarios out there that you can use or need a mic, of course, to improve your YouTube channel. I see also, or we see also, a lot of big YouTube channels that they just don't use mics. They just still use the mic of the mobile or the mic of the camera, whatever. But if you want to give your audience, of course, more clear sound, so you need to take the mic to another level where you, of course, deliver more clear sound to your audience on YouTube or Facebook or whatever. I started in this field actually from 2019 when I bought the first mic for me, and it was the Rode NTG1. The Rode NTG1, if you don't really know it, there's a lot of type of this mic. There is also many brands out there that they make like this mic. But this mic, of course, comes with this professional, of course, audio jack. But to run this mic, you need also an extra equipment like the Zoom 6 or any kind of other mics out there. This one, you can use it as a boom. So when we are shooting a movie, when we are doing a professional interview, there's a boom, a stand where this mic comes to sit on, maybe from above, maybe from down. So depends on the scenario, what is the best at that time. And of course, every mic has a level, has a fill to it, just to catch the sound. So this mic, by the way, if I am just talking toward it directly, the sound will be perfect. Above also will be perfect. Down, it will be also good. If I am sitting here and the mic is here, so the sound will be less quality, because of course I'm not talking towards it. Then the second mic for me was the Rode also video mic. Keep the Rode NTG1 on the side just when I am having a professional project, so I can use it. But the Rode video mic, I can just plug it into the camera directly and then I can catch the sound and record the sound. What I faced at that time, it was also so expensive, but the problem of that mic that I need to turn it on before I start shooting, otherwise there is no sound anymore. Then they came with another version that he will be synchronized automatically with the camera. So when you just start shooting, the audio is on. When you stop shooting, the audio is off. Then they solved that problem. But also the mic, when I bought it, it was like around 180 euro. The other version comes with like, I believe 250 euro or 300 euro. Anyway, then I bought this mic, the Rode Wireless Go. The first version of this one, it was just one transmitter, one receiver, and it was perfect. The sound of it is still for me one of the best audios out there. Then there's multiple, and then DJI comes with also wireless mic, Holy Land, a lot of other brands out there. For me, I tested a lot of mics till now. Also, I bought the Holy Land Lark M2S. I found it very nice. I have it here, as you maybe notice it, but I have it here, so I use this one also very, very much recently. I don't use this one anymore because it's still a little bit big just to put it on my shirt. This one is less weight and also not noticeable. Then I got a sponsor from the Boya Magic. This mic is very, very nice also. I did a review for all these mics on my channel, so if you are interested, if you want to get more deep dive in these mics, then you can go to the channel, or I will try to put the links in the description. Boya Magic mic, they have a lot of features in just one mic. Two-person can speak, also a handle mic. You can use it with your camera, with your computer, with your mobile. Amazing. And they have also different versions. The first version starts with €100 till I believe €180. Depends on your situation and what do you need. And of course, there's DJI, one of the good brands. Unfortunately, I didn't have the chance to try one of them products out there, but I know, of course, they are also one of the good product out there, also with the size especially. But this Holy Land for me is perfect, very nice. So I hope you get a good review about which mic do you want to buy or which mic do you need. And if you didn't get your answer via this video, I of course highly recommend watching the other videos on my YouTube channel or any other videos on YouTube, just to get to know which mic you wanna buy. Otherwise, you are just wasting your money on maybe something that you don't need, or maybe you need right now, but in the future you don't need it. So I hope this video is useful. Please, if you like it, give it a like, share, subscribe, and I will see you with this video here. Bye bye.